I don't think Kadia was a happy woman. Not that she didn't smile or laugh or anything, but she did. But she was impressed by or oppressed by many of the things she saw in the world. I grew up on her children's things, which were very light and charming. She even wrote a poem about me, by the way. But later on, of course, during the Holocaust period, she wrote a great deal of material to God on many occasions, telling us to choose some other people. And she had a great many Holocaust stories. And when she lived in Warsaw, she saw a great deal of poverty. And she spoke out about it. And she saw a great deal of injustice to women. And she spoke out about it. She was a good writer. I'm always surprised because, I mean, she's my family. But she was a good writer.